When you hear of banana bread, you think, do I have to make bread? But actually, it's not a bread at all. It's actually just a cake masquerading as a bread, because you can have it for breakfast, cut yourself a nice thick slice to go with your cup of coffee or tea, or serve it with a nice scoop of ice cream for dessert. We'll have to start by sifting the flours together. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Just sift all of this together to create a nice airy batter. Making banana bread is a great way to use up overripe bananas that are lying around in the house. Don't do a very fine job of mashing the bananas. You want to leave them slightly chunky so that you can actually get bits of the bananas when you eat the banana bread. Just a few drops of lemon juice will make a world of a difference in keeping the bananas from turning black, and it doesn't change the taste at all, so don't worry about it. And now we can get started with our wet ingredients. I'm going to use 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Add the 1/2 cup of honey. Just mix the two together. I'm going to crack 1 egg at a time. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all of this together. Now I'm going to add the mashed bananas. And I'm going to gently mix this into the wet ingredients. This is too chunky right now, so I'll try to mash them up a little bit more. Now you need to add the dry ingredients in 2 batches to the wet ingredients. No heavy hand mixing or beating, just gentle folding. That's batch number 1, all mixed up. This is the second batch of dry ingredients. And this is really why banana bread is called a bread. It's taking on a very doughy consistency. Most batters for cakes will never be as doughy in their appearance. I've got a 1/4 cup of walnuts. Fold that into the batter. And now I'm just going to transfer the dough to the loaf pan. I'm using a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with a depth of 3 inches. I've greased this very generously with butter so that the batter doesn't stick at all to the loaf pan. Now this is all ready to go into the preheated oven. The cake should take about 30 to 40 minutes to bake, or until you can insert a skewer in the center and it comes out absolutely clean. Wait for the cake to cool completely before you cut it into slices. You can see that the little chunks of banana that we'd left in the batter are peeking out of the tops of the banana bread. I'm going to cut this up into some generous slices. I know you want some of this banana bread. I'm not going to share it with you. Make your own.